Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the order widget. This widget allows you to view any historic transactions that were made, trading histories, etc. You can access this widget by going on the account dropdown and clicking orders, and you're able to view your entire order history. You can customize this by a specific time range. Say you want to see just the first week of February, you can input those dates right here, and it displays those orders that were placed during that time. You are also able to customize all of these different menus right here: instrument, symbol, status, etc. By going to the manage column. You go right here, and all of this can be customized to the user's liking. You can also look at the specific transaction on a product. If you do a left click on a product, it shows you that history for that specific transaction. What time the order was placed, when it was working, and then eventually when it was filled. So that gives you a transparent view of what happens with that order. Also, you can look at the menu on that specific transaction as well with a right click. You can duplicate the transaction, view the order history again, opposite order, even buy or sell that product again. That's one of the functionalities of this order widget. Feel free to reach out to us at support@metrotrade.com with any questions so we can assist you better. Thank you.